Let's say our ABCs. I'm going to point to the letters, and I would like you to make the sounds. Notice that some of the letters are red. Those are what we call vowels. That starts with the letter V. Vowels. Okay, I'm going to point to the A, and I'd like you to say, I'm going to say A, and then you say the sound on the little one, ah. Here's a capital and a lowercase. Names, like your name, starts with a capital letter. Okay, A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, O, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very nice. Notice the ones that are red? Let's say those. A, E, I, O, U. Those are the vowels. Very good.